Okay, now that you have the materials ready, please make sure that you put the red clip, red cable with the clip, alligator clip, with the copper, okay, because that will be the positive one. And the other alligator cable, which is the black one, with zinc. This will be the negative side. So we are going to start with 1/2, okay? You're going to do this step by step. So you want to connect copper and the zinc, okay? First, you want to measure the voltage. You're going to have a multimeter like this. Make sure it is on 20. So make sure it's on, and it's on 20 right here. It's going to measure up to 20 volts. And now you want to keep black with black, red with red. So you connect black and black, which is the negative side, and red with red, which is the positive side. And you're going to measure that. It's telling you that this half lemon is producing or generating 0.95 volts. Okay, now you put this aside, you disconnect the voltmeter, and you want to connect the LED. If your LED, as you can see, your LED is going to have one long leg and one short leg. Make sure that the long side goes with the red cable. So the long side goes with the positive one. The shorter one goes with the negative one. Okay? As you can tell, it's not lighting yet. That's fine. We're going to put the LED aside, and we're going to add another half. So what you want to do is always remove one side. I'm choosing to remove the black cable on a side. I bring another lemon, and I bring another, doesn't matter, red or black is the same because each one is going to have both materials, zinc and copper. So now you just connect like one copper, one zinc, one copper, one zinc. So as you can tell, we have copper here, so it means that the next one is going to be zinc. And then go to the next half lemon, and then we finish the circuit. So we have copper, zinc, copper, zinc. Now we take the multimeter or voltmeter again. Remember, in this case, you need to be careful. Black and black, red and red. And let's see how much we have. So now we have 1.79 volts. You write that in your data table. Put it aside. Okay, remove this. And then you're going to connect your LED, red and red, the short one with the black one, and you see it starts lighting up. Okay, good job. So now you remove it, and you keep adding more and more half lemons. So my recommendation is always add the lemons in the center, so you don't have to deal with this again. So I just open it in the center, and I add the next half lemon, and just be careful. So copper, zinc, copper, that means that the next one is going to be zinc, and then copper, and then I repeat all over again. You connect the voltmeter here, you measure the voltage. Once you write that number, you take the LED again. The longer side goes with the red, the shorter side goes with the black, and so on, until you complete as many lemons as you want. Okay, perfect, that's it. Now we are going to see how this is actually working, and why we call the zinc side the negative one, and why we call the copper side the positive one. Okay, and we are going to add another help. So it's easier if you keep removing the lemon in the center, so you always keep two ends right here. So we open in the middle, we add the lemon here, so it means we are adding another connector. So if we have copper here, it means we put zinc here, and then copper here. Again, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc. Let's measure that and see how much we get. Right here, we have 3.97 volts. It should work right now. Wait, this one. Again, let's open it. Let's see. We switch. There you go. Let me turn the lights off.
Wow!